Is it time to buy or sell IONQ stock? In this video, we are diving deep into IONQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 2nd, 2024, our system has identified IONQ as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.47. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have reaped an impressive gain of 312.39% since we first designated IONQ as a buy candidate 47 days ago. This equates to an average return of 6.65% per day since it was categorized as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. In the event of a pullback, support will be found at the threshold of the recently broken trend, which is valued at $33.68. This level may present a second opportunity for substantial gains. According to fan theory, the next potential peak is projected at $41.75, which may serve as a resistance level that is unlikely to be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential increase of 1,076.91% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 694.46% to 944.74%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 24.58% over the next year, with potential returns varying from negative 61.05% to 24.58%. This translates to a price range between $14.78 and $47.26 after a year. Our latest daily update for IONQ includes the headline: Significant movements in IONQ Inc. stock price on Friday, shifting 10.17% between high and low. The IONQ Inc. stock price experienced an increase of 5.55% on the last trading day, Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, rising from 35.95 to 37.94. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 10.17%, with a low of 34.90 and a high of 38.45. Over the last 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions and has increased by 15.74% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $721.08 million. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was 38.45, while the lowest was 6.23. Currently, the price is 1.32%, or 0.509, below the 52-week high of 38.45, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. IONQ has recently captured significant investor interest, particularly following its impressive stock performance, which soared 142.8% in November alone and boasts a remarkable 164.6% increase year-to-date. This surge reflects the growing excitement surrounding quantum computing, a sector that is rapidly gaining traction. The company continues to innovate, recently launching its first quantum computer in Europe, the IONQ 4-day enterprise, marking a key milestone by establishing a commercial presence in Switzerland. In the short term, this influx of attention and the successful launch of new technologies are likely to bolster IONQ's stock price. Analysts remain optimistic, highlighting its next-generation quantum operating system and hybrid services suite as crucial advancements aimed at enhancing operational performance for enterprise customers. However, some caution exists. Concerns surrounding rising losses and intensifying competition could create pressure on the stock as the market evaluates its long-term sustainability. As a result, while the current momentum appears positive, investors should remain vigilant as should grow, balancing optimism with the realities of a competitive landscape as they consider future investment decisions. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Zacks Investment Research assigned IONQ a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave IONQ a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned IONQ a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave IONQ a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 16th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned IONQ a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned IONQ stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for IONQ. IONQ Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at levels of $34.43 and $24.07. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 164.21%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 58 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 59 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 63 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 48 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for IONQ. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $32.78 and $30.85. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking through this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, IONQ Inc. has support just below today's level at $32.78. Should this level be breached, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $30.85 and $29.14. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.55 between its high and low, which equates to 10.17%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for IONQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 26th of February, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 23 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IONQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to decide when to exit. On the downside, IONQ encounters its first support level at $32.78. If this support level holds, it could serve as an attractive entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IONQ from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Alameddin Rima, who bought and sold 56,125 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 3.642. Overall, insiders acquired 5,298,929 shares and sold 15,493,149 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.73, reflecting a decline of 3.2%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, leading to a high level of risk. There is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is IONQ stock a good buy? Several short-term signals suggest positivity, and the stock has broken its upward trend, indicating a potential for even stronger growth. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for IONQ Inc. stock to perform well in the near term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 9th of December, we anticipate that IONQ will open lower by 84 cents, starting at $37.10. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.